Hey y'all, it's your girl Mercedes back with another video on how to make celery juice with a blender. Okay, so first you're gonna need some celery, of course, and you can just get this from the market. A measuring cup, also a strainer, and a spoon, and last but not least, a blender. Okay, so now it's time to wash your celery. When you're washing your celery, you want to make sure you wash it really, really good to get all the dirt off, because I'm sure you do not want to drink dirt. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to cut your celery. When cutting the celery, you want to cut off both ends of it. Now you want to cut the celery down into smaller pieces so that it'll fit into your blender. Now it's time to put it in your blender and just put a little in at a time, and then also pour a cup of water in just so it'll start it off at the bottom of your blender. Okay, so now it's time to strain it. So you want to take the top off your blender and just pour it in. Okay, so here's where your spoon comes in handy. Take your spoon, mix it in the strainer. This helps to get all of the juices that's in the strainer. After you're done, you can pour in your cup and it's time to drink. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.